Did you know that texting while driving, you're 6 times more likely to crash than driving drunk?
What? That's scary. What people like to do is they like to stop at the red, look at their phone, and then when they see it's green, they start driving while still texting.
It was a beautiful Saturday morning. I was run over by a semi-truck. You know, if he was texting his mom or checking his UPS delivery, I hope it was worth it.
Absolutely, without a doubt. The greatest risk comes from distracted drivers who are preoccupied with something else. It's usually their phone. They're not paying attention to the road, and if we're in front of their vehicle, that's a problem.
It's a matter of life or death for us.
I'm trying to stay alive.
Stay alive.
We have something important to talk about. Hello. Hey Team Nonstop. First of all, I want to thank AT&T for making this video possible. Now, sit down, because we have something serious to talk about. I'm assuming because you're here that you like me. And you like me alive. Because dead me isn't anywhere near as charming. Boo! That's why I want to talk about distracted driving. That shit is whack. And not only is it whack, it's a serious problem. I ride my bike every single day. And I've been knocked off my bike a few times by potholes, by car doors, by lampposts. That last one was my fault. But by far the scariest time was by a car that drifted into the bike lane as I was riding in it, knocking me into a parked car. I was this close to the car, I could see her on her phone, but I couldn't get out of the way. The car wasn't going super fast, and most people probably think it's safer to use their phones when they're just going really slow down the street, but all it takes is 40 miles per hour. You hit someone going that speed, there's a 90% chance they're gonna die. Look it up. And if you're texting and driving, you're 23 times more likely to crash. And we take our lives into our own hands every single day, just by walking down the street, riding a bike, competing in sports, swimming in the ocean. Any of these things can kill us. But in a car, it's not just your own life you're taking into your hands. You're taking mine too. I'm not just talking to New Yorkers right now. There are little mini me's all over the world riding around on 2 wheels. So you should know you're not alone. And if you hit one of us, we will haunt you for the rest of your life. Not to mention your insurance costs will go up, your parents will probably kill you, you mess up your pretty car, and you might even go to jail. You feel me? So take the It Can Wait pledge. Because it really can. It can wait. The link is in the description below, and it takes 2 seconds to do. Thanks so much to AT&T for making this video possible. Like this video, share it with a friend you want to keep safe and alive. We all need to do our part to end texting and driving.
Just as I was riding here to interview my friend Austin, I almost got sideswiped by a cab that was on his phone.